Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign in Evony account. So let's get started. First, open your Evony game. Then tap on three horizontal dots. Select Settings. And then select Account option. Now tap on Link Account button. You can sign in with Facebook or with Google Play. In my case, I'm gonna sign in with Facebook. And this is how you can sign in Evony account. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.